Hey everyone. So today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. I'm going to give a little tip I found out about the Afinia DLP 220s that is very useful if you can use it right. The cutting strip that the blade cuts on is actually the full length of the machine. But since we're printing labels and doing label rolls, we use a maximum of an 8.5 inch length. So what you can do, you can actually take that cutting strip, cut it in half, and now you get two cutting strips. And if you're very careful, you can actually rotate the cutting strip around so that the cut side that you've been using is now on the back end side, and the fresh is on the fresh smooth side is now on the cut side. So you can extend one cutting strip to the equivalent of 4 cutting strips if you cut it in half and rotate it to 180 degrees when you need to change it out. It's a little tip I came across and thought I would share with you guys. So if you guys like that tip, please hit the like button or the thumbs up button. And if you want to learn more about what we're doing, more tips and tricks that I've come across over the past year about label printing and printing labels, please hit the subscribe button so that you're notified when I release a new video. Thank you.